Hot soup is delicious and even better when it's cold outside. Let's try making some apple parsnip soup. First, wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Now, let's gather our ingredients and get started. You will need 4 apples, 4 parsnips, 1 large sweet potato, and 1 large onion. You will also need 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon dried sage, which is optional, and 8 cups of low-fat or fat-free milk. As an option, you can substitute chicken or vegetable broth for milk, or try 4 cups broth and 4 cups milk. Wash and scrub the produce under running water. Peel the apples. If using an apple wedger, press the tool over the apples to separate the cores and create wedges. Or you can cut the apple away from the core on all sides. Next, chop the apple wedges into small pieces. You will also peel and slice the parsnips into small pieces. We will do the same for the sweet potato. Peel and chop into small pieces. And last, peel and chop the onion into small pieces. In a large bowl, add vegetables, oil, salt, pepper, and sage as an option. Now, thoroughly mix the vegetables, spices, and oil together. Place the seasoned vegetables in a baking dish. Put the dish in the oven and bake for 45 minutes. After baking, let the cooked vegetables cool. Once the vegetables have cooled, add the vegetables and milk to the blender in batches and blend until smooth. Once blended, pour the blended soup into a large pot and warm the soup for 15 minutes until heated through. Try serving this soup with a fresh green salad or whole grain bread. Enjoy!